Curious about the true definition of blockchain? Join us and explore the complexity, multiple interpretations, and origins of this technology.
It is not easy to define the term blockchain, and we will certainly find different definitions in the literature. The definition that we believe to be among the most accurate can be stated as follows. Blockchain is a distributed ledger in a peer-to-peer environment, updated by some consensus mechanism, which eventually allows the execution of smart contracts. For those just entering the blockchain and the cryptocurrency world, the above explanation may have caused more confusion than clarification. Ledger, peer-to-peer, consensus mechanism, and smart contracts. At the moment, these are terms that can have an enigmatic meaning. The purpose of this module is to clarify each of these terms. The idea of a blockchain was introduced in 1991 by two scientists, Stuart Haber and W. Scott Stonetta, with the aim of being able to confidently establish the timestamp of a document without the need for a certification authority. In an increasingly digital world, how to certify that a certain document, audio or video, was created on a certain date. That was the problem Haber and Stonetta tried to solve. The term blockchain, however, only became popular 18 years later due to the emergence of Bitcoin. Proposed by a person under the pseudonym of Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin was the first digital currency to solve challenges that once seemed impossible, such as the double spending problem. Note that the problem of double spending is related to the problem that Haber and Stonetta set out to solve, which is to create a kind of unique certificate for a given document without the existence of a certifying authority. Once it is possible to certify the origin and uniqueness of a document, it cannot be duplicated and therefore cannot be spent twice. It is customary to use the term blockchain to name different objects. There's blockchain as the ledger, for example, and there's blockchain as the technology behind the cryptocurrencies. There is still the possibility that we use the term blockchain to refer to a peer-to-peer network of computers or a protocol. We can say blockchain refers to the ledger, which is the database of transactions, or to the protocol behind networks such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. The name Bitcoin itself also has multiple uses. We can use Bitcoin to denote the network of computers that hold the digital currency, or Bitcoin to denote the currency itself. To alleviate this problem, it is customary to use Bitcoin in lowercase to designate the currency and Bitcoin with a capital B to designate the network or protocol. Unfortunately, the same cannot be done with the term blockchain. But don't worry, by the end of this course it will be clear to you what we are referring to when we use the term blockchain. For that, we must better understand what a blockchain is.